In today's digital era, workplace safety hinges on understanding the pivotal UVV regulations in Germany. UVV, or Unfallverhütungsvorschrift, forms the backbone of crucial accident prevention strategies mandated by German authorities. These regulations are not just guidelines, they enforce regular safety checks vital for employee well-being and insurance compliance. At EBG Endler Bauunternehmung GmbH, safety checks are integrated into daily operations, ensuring hazards are identified and mitigated swiftly. Through proactive UVV tests, this premier construction firm significantly reduces accident risks and maintains stringent safety standards. Embracing digital transformation, EBG has revolutionized traditional UVV inspections, dramatically cutting down administrative burdens. In collaboration with Mobile2B, EBG has adopted a tailored UVV app that modernizes safety inspections with efficiency and accuracy. This innovative app uses barcodes and digital checklists, enhancing inspection precision and streamlining record-keeping processes effortlessly. Support from Mobile2B ensures EBG adapts quickly to challenges, fostering a culture of continuous safety improvement in construction. Discover how companies like EBG are redefining safety inspections through digital solutions, pushing boundaries in workplace safety and efficiency.